Hey everyone, Moniz here, and right in front of me I have the MSI Stealth GS66. I reviewed the previous model last year, but they made some improvements to the 2020 version to make it a lot more attractive. First and foremost, the actual build quality has improved. The metal itself is a little bit thicker, so it feels more premium when you're actually touching the laptop. That was one of my biggest complaints with the previous model. When you pressed on it, it just didn't feel like it was a premium product. Well, it feels better now, which is a good thing. The next thing to note is it's still around 4.6 pounds, so this is a very light laptop that you can take on the road and get great gaming performance. You can spec it with the latest NVIDIA GPUs. I'm not sure exactly how high up, but my guess is either an RTX 2070 or even a 2080. Now I love the color of this. This is like matte black. It's super clean, and the only thing you see on the back is the MSI logo, so that's always a bonus. Keyboard. I can't confirm that this is an optical keyboard. They won't tell me, but it feels a lot like an optical keyboard, if not pretty close to it. You do have that per key RGB lighting, so you can customize each key to whatever color you like. The other thing they did too was take the speakers from the bottom of the laptop and place it on the top. So audio will be facing you, you'll get better sound quality when you're gaming, as long as it's loud enough that it can drown out the fans. Speaking of the fans, they've improved the cooling inside. Obviously I can't open it up, but based on what they're talking about, they've improved the fan size, so it's a 0.1 millimeters, but it should provide more efficiency when it's blowing the air out of the computer. So hopefully that will give us better cooling. But the biggest star of the show is actually the display. This is a 1080p Full HD IPS display, but it's 300 Hertz. So think about that tear-free gaming experience. It's not going to be usable for more AAA titles that just come out into the market, but if you're someone who plays like CSGO and you can get frame rates that high, this 300 Hertz panel is going to come in handy. Other things to note as well is you do get your typical port setup. So on the left-hand side, you have your barrel connector, you have USB Type-C, full-size HDMI, USB-A 3.2, and on the other side, you have your RJ45 jack, two more USB-A 3.2 ports, and another USB Type-C. So tons of I/O to basically cover all of your needs. One last thing I want to talk about is the trackpad. Windows Precision, made out of glass, very comfortable to use, very accurate. I don't know about you, I'm pretty excited about this one. I think MSI looks like to improve its build quality ever so slightly and come out with a very compelling gaming laptop. I don't have pricing on this yet, but it will be stacked with the latest 10th gen Intel processors, probably 6 and 8 cores, maybe even 10 core option that you can choose from to get your gaming needs on. Anyway, stay tuned for more coverage on the GS66 and other laptops from CES 2020. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to follow me behind the scenes on Instagram to see the action live. See you guys later.